I started this nail design by combining two different types of nail glue, a bit of 3D design gel, and a nude gel polish to create a batter-like mixture. I also added in a bit of acrylic powder to thicken it up. With a nude base nail, take the mixture and place it on the nail. Begin moving it around so that it covers the whole nail. Use a silicone tool and alcohol to smooth it out. It should be a little bumpy, like a cookie. I matte the nail, and using a dotting tool, I added little chocolate chip specks. You can blur out some of the dots. It's supposed to look baked in. Take brown pigment and begin to shade the nail around the edges to bake the cookie. Taking some brown 3D clay and deepening it with the pigment powder, I made mini chocolate chips. Attach the chips to the nail, curing in between. Here's how it looks. I paint 3 nails off-white and 1 a brown jelly. Take 2 mini balls of 3D gel and place on the nail. Slightly flatten them and then color them a cookie color. Add pigment powder and chocolate chips to the mini cookies. Add rhinestone design of your choice on 1 off-white nail and the brown jelly nail. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you don't miss anything.